The boat is now lost. It's in the reeds. Can't get it. Not to worry. There's other ways to get it. So my boat got stuck, so I got Rescue Craft 1 to rescue the boat. I sped up the next bit so to give you a montage of me sailing out to the reeds. Alright, some background information here. I was sailing my remote control boat on a live stream on Saturday, and I got it lost in the reeds because it was so windy.
Good job.
Yeah, we did it. We got the boat back from the lake, and we did it. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. MLG Master 5 out.